Check this out. I got it working. And look, it's even locked to the drive shaft. It's turning the drive shaft. We can select that, or we can select the drive shaft. And it will also drive the motors, or the gears rather. And we could even use the other gear. The only thing I haven't messed with yet is, like the electrical kit that comes with SolidWorks for the VEX. So you have to hook up the brain and the motor and everything in the battery. I haven't tried to do all that and simulate it, but I wanted to show you that. It's done. And we even have drawings. Look, we have the engineering drawings to go with it. Isometric, face on, side view, and then a second sheet of analysis and rationale. Very cool stuff. All right, that's it. Thanks.